Hi, TR here. This video is about the assignment Wise Consumer. It is your second assignment in the Module 5 Resource Choices. And here is the link, Table of Contents, Module 5 Resource Choices, Financial Wellness, and the assignment Wise Consumer. Let's take a scroll down. We see that there are 3 points that you want to carefully read. And then we say that you have choices, but you guys know me. You guys know that I want the template used. If you don't want to use the template, then you want to create something very similar to the template so that it'll look like this. So this is the template that you should receive when you click on that link. And there's the title page, and here is the first slide. Describe 2 current influences on personal choices. So this is more general. And then we ask who or what influences your choices. Explain why, please. I mean, it might be obvious, but still it's good to have that thought. Okay, well, I'm listening and paying attention because. Second slide, potential consumer dangers with personal examples. Okay, and the third working slide is you identify 5 key strategies people use to protect themselves as informed consumers. And it's right here for you. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we go back to our page, it says you submit it to the Assignment Wise Consumer folder. And the marking rubric is here. The link is here. It's going to look like this. So let's expand this. And this is how I will mark your assignment. Generally, I'm looking for detail, lots of information, and lots of personal connects. The more personal connects I get, the better I see that you understand this information, because it could save you a lot of hassle, a lot of time, a lot of grief. In your submission, when you do submit this assignment, please do not submit an assignment with a pages or key extension. Those are Mac extensions, and I cannot open those. Thank you very much. Enjoy your cloudy day today, and stay safe. We'll talk to you another time. Thank you. Bye now.